Hey yo, turn on with AC. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, that guy AC, back at y'all with another reaction video. And today I'm coming at y'all with Lakers versus 76ers. If y'all new, like, comment, and think the sub button, man. We on the road to 1K subs, man. Hit that sub button, man, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know your boy dropping more bangers. Hey, man. We about to get right into this video, man. We about to get right into it. Hey, bro. We're on a little win streak, the Lakers, bro. We're on a cool little win streak. Let's keep it going, man. Let's keep it going.
Downtown Philly.
And bro, I was just reading, man.
Not so much
I was just reading the comment.
You'll hear it tonight. Tonight, the first of
I
two
really
games
say bro
this
a lot,
season. The Lakers.
Damn, I just said it like 3 times.
That
That just answered my own question, bro. Unfortunate. I'll try to substitute some different words in, you feel me?
Anthony Davis. He's open from
I'm just so used to saying bro. Bro, skid. But y'all getting on that with me, bro.
No, not when he's that deep.
Oh, y'all actually getting on that with me.
Joe Allen scores. The big guys getting involved. The tomb.
But Tyrese Maxey's been actually cooking for the 76ers. I know y'all been peeping at him and Tyrese Halliburton. And me and my homie were just talking about the other day. Is the draft class of 2020 the best draft class in the last 5 years? It might be, bro. It might be. I'm not gonna lie. That's with LaMelo, Tyrese, and you feel me? That draft class. They might be, bro. Realistically, it should have been Jason Tatum's class, but them niggas suck. Like, bro, it's only Luka, Jason Tatum, Trae Young. Who else? Some other people, bro, but they're not there. No. 2020 got it, bro. They got it.
Patrick Beverly. They're going to give him that shot whenever he wants.
Patrick Beverly's on the 76ers? When?
4.5, 5 minutes.
AR, get that buck.
Just as we say it. Again, look at Patrick Beverly. Anytime he wants it, he's got that shot out there. I mean, he's
Tyrese. Mitty.
Doesn't matter. They're going to score on the other side.
Bro, Tyrese is actually so nice, bro.
Joel Embiid, and he scores.
But I just realized the score, bro. Why are we going out this sweet right now, bro? Can we lock in? Get a buck, Bron.
Does it. LBJ to the rim. Maxey catching fire.
Bro, he is cooking us right now, bro.
Underneath Wood.
CW.
You know, tongue in cheek, we say old man, but he is the oldest player in the league. Well, there's Morris.
Watch out.
With the Clippers.
Is LeBron getting 40,000 this year? I think he is, man. I really think he is. LeBron. Watch out. Patrick Beverly is hitting them shots, bro. Leg. AI 15.
Hits the hardwood, but he has the deuce. Beverly trying again. They've made 9 threes in the game.
Bro, watch out, bro. No! None of that. Bro, give it to LeBron.
Finds LeBron. Here they go. 3-on-2.
CW.
By Christian Wood at the other end, the drive, the kick, the Morris.
Bro, they're actually just straight shooting threes, bro.
Christie, smooth.
And we can't get a stop. Bro, we're down by 21, bro. Like, look at what, bro. Mitty.
LeBron baseline for 2.
Like, bro, why are we going out so sweet in the regular season? As soon as money's on the line, we're locking in. Bro, why? Bro, that's so backwards, bro. Oh, my bro. Oh, my gosh, bro. Look at what, bro. All right, bro. All right.
I mean, they literally can't miss right
my
now.
guy, bro. My
guy.
Look at what you're doing, my guy. Bro, he just whooped your shit, bro. I don't know.
Rejection. Wood, the nice
Good
ball
buck,
fake,
CW.
and he lays it up and in. They'll get another opportunity and beat straight away.
Joel.
13 threes.
AR. Pull up.
Turnovers.
Blanket. AR 15.
Outside. Austin Reeves. Actually, the dance and the score. The game's next star right there. Tyrese Maxey underneath. Around Embiid, they found the diving Austin Reeves.
Oh, yeah, LeBron.
Going baseline all the way.
You should have super slam jammed that.
Buckets in a row for the Lakers. Tobias Harris, though, goes right around.
Bro, we're going out so sweet right now.
To score. Now it's
D-Lo.
for the 5-point swing.
Blanket. D-Lo. We need some stops, bro. Lay. He just moved 4 for 45-year-old ass.
To Embiid in very deep.
Bro, he has to be 45, bro. There's no way. Bro, is that?
He did not have a great first half.
Bro, is that platoon, bro?
Nailing a three. That could be a shove by Embiid, was it not?
It sure looked like one.
Yeah, it did.
Like, bro, what?
Harris.
He said forward quarter yelling, why the fuck platoon, man? Bro, you will always be remembered as that, bro. Dude is funny as hell for that. Because that's serious, bro. Why are you in the game?
Good start. Good start. Joel Embiid on his way to a triple-double. And they get a three at the other end. That's Melton, who's really good at this end of the floor.
D-Lo,
second
lay.
in the NBA in steals, but D-Lo says, we'll take none of that. He goes all the way in and lays it up. Again, the shot clocks are
Bro, that's
now
deep,
operating out
bro.
of the corners.
Watch out.
2 more threes this half, and no sign of slowing down. Under Batum. By the way, Embiid has 11 assists, and here he is.
Going out so sweet, my guy. Gang,
Gang,
we're going out so sweet.
Joel Embiid.
Just look at what's going on. Foul? Like, no foul, bro? Thank you. And one.
So LeBron figured he was fouled, but it's going to work out in the Lakers' favor.
Yeah,
Prince
like,
having
bro.
a decent scoring second half.
Man got smacked, grabbed, scratched, clawed. Like, come on, bro. Like, you're not calling nothing?
Here come the Lakers. Long lead for Russell. No way he's going to be able to shoot that. So he gives it to Prince all the way to score.
This man's guaranteed like 6 points a game, bro.
He got it. Brought it out. Morris got it.
Nothing less, nothing more.
17 threes.
Oh, that in and out was kind of nice.
Answers back with the 2.
Bro's been really stepping up, though, bro. Even though we're getting shafted right now.
Flicker going. There's Reeves. Can't
Who?
oh,
Jackson Hayes.
Wow. Batum. Yeah, he'll take that set shot. I mean, that's practice.
Bro, we're going. Oh my bro.
Sixers on the move.
Y'all are lucky, Lakers, bro. I'm in a great mood today, bro.
It's 111-84.
Cause, bro, there should be no reason why we're down by this much, bro.
Now to Hayes, he puts it up and in. So some good runs.
It's just, bro.
These young players.
Like, it's literally, like, Joel wasn't going that crazy this game, bro.
His brother was a champion.
That man right there, though, he's getting a buck every time.
There's his 30th point.
30. Look at 30, bro. He has 30 on our top. And nobody can guard him. Nobody. And tell me why Patrick Beverly's doing this. He's making threes, bro. I just called that. That was actually crazy.
Yes.
That was crazy. Oh my, bro. His jump shot is, oh my gosh, bro. Bro, Buddy's jump shot is disgusting, bro.
Covington. Korkmaz, little flyby, another flyby.
Bro.
The leaner, and he scores.
What is that, bro? He's moving like a Luke. He's moving like a Luke. Getting nipped.
To the 76th team in franchise history as Baba throws it down.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's over with, bro. So I don't want to see the rest of that. Actually, y'all got a minute left, bro. Y'all got y'all 30 seconds.
Well, the post-game show's coming up.
Yeah, after that shit, I'm getting the fuck off this shit. I'm getting off, bro. I'm off.